Hi and welcome. In this week tutorial, I'll show you how to reward your meeting participants directly from Calendly using AppyReward. Let's dive in. First, click on the plus button in the top right corner. Then, select Reward Meeting Participants. Once you're connected to your Calendly account, your list of events will appear. From there, you can choose the participant you like to reward. Simply click on the Reward button. The participant will be automatically selected and you'll be able to choose the gift you want to send. Click Next. At this stage, you can confirm that the contact details are correct, then select the reward you like to send. In this example, we'll choose a $10 Tango gift card. Click Next. And the final step, you can personalize the message that will be sent to the recipient. Then click Send Verification Code. A code will be sent to your mobile phone. Once confirmed, your new campaign will appear on your dashboard, where you can track reward delivery and access in real time. And just like that, your reward has been sent. With AppyReward, turning meetings into meaningful experiences takes just a few clicks. You can track delivery and engagement in real time from your dashboard. Give it a try and start rewarding your participants today.